Hey, with today being Turkey Day, let's make a turkey dinner old fashioned. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and it's getting nice and having a nice cool day today. And for South Texas, that's not bad. We don't normally get too cool and we don't normally get too cold. But today is Thanksgiving and it's time to give thanks. So I'm going to make kind of a special old fashioned. I'm going to call it Turkey Dinner Old Fashioned, because there's a lot that goes into every year when you get together and have that turkey dinner together with your family, right? This will be made directly in a glass. And I'm not going to stray too far off of anything because this is a traditional style old fashioned for the traditions of Thanksgiving. We're going to start off with the most popular bitters, Angostura bitters. You definitely want to enjoy this, so 1-2 good dashes in there is more than enough. Some people like 1, some people like 2. My friend Noah will probably like a 3rd in there. So, add what you enjoy in it. I want this to be a drink that you just sit back, sip on, and enjoy it, right? Now, my favorite simple syrup is demerara simple syrup. Nice, dark, adds plenty of flavor. So I'm going to pop this open, and I'm going to give myself close to ½ an ounce. And some people might think that seems like a lot, but there's a reason I'm doing that. Whew, just look how dark that is. That's just always so pretty to me. And I love the way it adds flavor and highlights some of the flavors in the whiskeys as well. So this is what I'm talking about. We're going to do a combination of bourbons, and each one for a certain reason. So you guys are going to think I'm a little bit crazy for some of the ones I'm using, but that's okay. This is just for traditions and generations and all of us coming together, right? So as I said that, we're going to start off with some Wild Turkey Generations. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a lot of this left. It's actually probably one of my favorite wild turkeys, but I'm only going to do a ½ ounce of this one to go in there for hopefully all the generations that you have coming together to give thanks on today's day. So next, I'm going to use traditions, wild turkey traditions. I'm going to pop this one open. Oh, that was kind of a weak pop. Very loose cork, very loose cork. But I'm hoping that you and your families have a lot of traditions that you do as well together. Also just ½ an ounce. Because I know us in our family, we have fun traditions that we like to do on Thanksgiving. And one of them just going around and talking about what we're thankful for this year. And so we'll sit there and just everybody takes a turn. We do a lot of different kind of questions like that. It's just kind of fun because at the table, we're just sitting there, no phones at the table, just enjoying each other's company. Next, I'm going to do father and sons. This 13 father and sons. Also ½ an ounce. Now this one, I'm choosing this one because it's a father and son. I wish there was a father, son, daughter, wife one, but this is just to show more about family unity, family coming together. And last but not least, Wild Turkey 101, right? You got to have the original, the OG, kind of like going back to the original Thanksgiving. And this one, I'm actually going to do a full ounce of this and pour that in there as well. Now this one, I'm going to take one of my original favorite strainers. And a lot of people ask me why I have a bunny. Because I'm down an old-fashioned rabbit hole, right? And just enjoying this journey here. So let me just stir this up a little bit and get it ready as we're doing this. And just set this to the side. So there you have it. My turkey dinner old-fashioned. Let's go in for that first taste. This smells wonderful on the nose. Cheers. Just a wonderful, wonderful old-fashioned. Love it. So my friends, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, spending time with family and friends, and just enjoying each other. I've learned over the years that time is a precious commodity, and we don't know when that's ending, right? So we have to take these moments and just sit back, enjoy family, enjoy friends, enjoy loved ones, enjoy the people you like being with. So all my friends out there, all those that have been with me through this journey, I appreciate you and I thank you. And I thank you for taking some of your time to spend with me. Well, my friends, to our next old-fashioned journey, cheers and happy Thanksgiving.